Good morning. It is Wednesday, I believe, July 20th possibly, and I'm here. I'm a little, my mind isn't working quite like I would like it to, simply because I'm excited about this new listing, and I wanted to bring you a quick live video to show you all of the features. We've got a new house coming to market today in Pine Ridge, and I'm going to switch my camera because I really think that this house is a great example of what's so wonderful about Pine Ridge. So first off, I'll tell you locationally, this house is just steps away from the main community center, the equestrian center. It is horse property. It's almost 1.5 acres, and it's an older home for the community, but it has all of the features that I think are so wonderful in our Pine Ridge homes, including a magnificent pool. But first I want you to see this beautiful magnolia tree. I absolutely love magnolias, and that is the focal point as you enter this home. So we're going to walk through, and this is, you guys are getting the first look at this property. Really neat, long front porch, and it's all screened in. So comfort, Florida lifestyle, you've got it here with a screened area. You can set up a chair, have your morning coffee, enjoy that beautiful land and acreage. Nice solid wood front door, and immediately when you walk in the main room, you see that pool. And let me tell you, this house has got the natural light. If you like natural light and not using a lot of artificial lighting, you have that here. The windows are great. Look at that beautiful vaulted ceiling with the transom window there. And this is your living area. You've got a coat closet. You don't always find that in our Florida homes. Very spacious, as you can see. Master is that door there on the other side, so we'll go there after we look at the rest of the house. But I want to show you the living area first. So here's the kitchen and family room, dining room combo. So you've got some extra space just to set up some seating. You've got a nice dining area there. Open concept here. The kitchen is well equipped. We've got pull-outs underneath the cabinets. You can see that on that cabinet there. Even little things like this side storage area in the kitchen. This is just a faux door that just makes the cabinets look really nice. So there's nothing behind there, but you've got the Lazy Susan in the corner. If you know me, you know I love my Lazy Susan. I have a corner cabinet in my house that you have to climb into the cabinet in order to get the pots and pans out. So I avoid those pots and pans as much as possible. Great laundry area. Even room for an extra freezer or fridge and some cabinet storage. This house has a 2013 roof, so you are good to go on that. And also, gotta find a light here. It also has a 2020 air conditioning unit. 2-car garage with some extra storage. Of course, we've got the drop down attic stairs, so you can get into the attic storage. There's your water heater. Sprinkler system for the yard. The yard is beautiful. I'm going to take you out there last. But on this side is the guest wing. We've got 2 nice sized bedrooms. All of the bedrooms have walk-in closets. Absolutely love that. So great storage for the bedrooms. And you're probably wondering, what is the price on this property? So I'll tell you that in just a second, but it is one of the most economical homes that you're going to have access to in Pine Ridge. So we're really excited to bring a great price to you. Hey, Linda, thanks for joining me. This is our newest listing, Linda, that's coming to market in Pine Ridge, and it is just a fabulous property. Again, walk-in closet. And this bedroom, of course, has the sliders to go out to the pool. This house is just under 2,000 square feet, 1,828 living. As we walk through here, hopefully you see all of that natural light. These are Double pane windows. They are tilt windows, so easy to clean. And here is our master. Master bedroom has the vaulted ceiling. Great space, even a little extra sitting or desk area there. And I love how this master bathroom is laid out. We've got a walk-in closet. The master bathroom is laid out perfectly, in my opinion. We've got 2 sinks. We've got a nice jacuzzi tub with a window overlooking the pool. And then, of course, your shower, and the toilet is tucked back there. So let's head out and take a look at this pool. This is an incredible pool. I think I said that already. I will keep saying it. So there you have it. Huge, huge pool and lanai space. So if you're gonna have parties, you can fit a lot of people in that pool, Linda. All right. So I just want to show you the yard. It is almost 1.5 acres. Very, very private. Absolutely beautiful yard. And we've got a really neat cedar shed right there with some good storage for the yard work, the yard equipment. Look at this. Just gorgeous. So again, this is Pine Ridge Estates. It's coming to market today. It is listing for $375, which is a steal in Pine Ridge. And it's just a short walk from the community barn, the community center with all of our activities. You've got your pickleball, your tennis courts, your equestrian amenities like all of the riding arenas. So it's a great location, great property. My team is ready to show you this house, so let us know if you'd like more information. We are doing an open house this weekend, Saturday 10 to 2, Sunday 12 to 4. We're RES Luxury Group, 352-794-1426. And just remember, we are bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because we believe everyone deserves a luxury experience. Have a great day.